One of the things I'd like to do is demonstrate some whole paintings. In other words, what I have here are two recent pictures of mine. This is an Aegean harbor. This is a print of it. Unfortunately, it's gone, sold. And this is a ceremony of religious baptism in Greece. So you can become very sophisticated in watercolor. And what I'd like to do now is take another sheet of paper and do a couple of pictures. The first picture I'd like to do is a seacoast picture, featuring a lighthouse on a rocky isthmus or penetration. So bear with me, and I'm going to draw the picture and paint it.